Hi everybody, my name's Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. Another favourite hat maker of mine is Borsalino. It's, as the name might suggest, it's an Italian make that's been making hats since 1857. They've had a few ups and downs, and more recently they were actually sold. And the older hats are considered the better ones to actually collect. Now, I've been doing a little bit of traveling over the last year or two, and I've had a hat that has been really quite flexible. It's a rollable hat. They come at around 50, 60 grams in weight in felt, and they do, as they suggest, roll up into a very nice traveling companion. Anyway, let's show you the hat first of all. This is the it's a trilby as opposed to a fedora with a shorter brim here and crown. The brim width is about 5.5 centimeters wide. The crown itself is around 10 centimeters at the front and around 11 at the back. The ribbon is a very slight ribbon. It's probably about, yeah, it's a centimeter and a half, the gross grain ribbon. And then when you look inside, we have the very nice material sweatband, which is very, very comfortable when you're wearing it, and obviously it rolls up better than leather would. So let's take it in the other room and I'll show you how it actually rolls down and fits into my my travel bag. I'm going to demonstrate now how we roll up the Borsalino Trilby hat when traveling, and I've got my trusty coach travel bag here, and quite simply you take the hat and you knock out the center of the crown there, pull down the rim all the way around, and then flatten the two sides so it's sort of flattened in half, if you know what I mean. And you can see that's now quite flat. So then we roll it up and into a cone, and take a elastic band, pop it over the top there, and then it's done, and it will fit into the side pocket of the rucksack just here. So that just pops down there, and already merely go on my travels. When I come to use it, it comes out, and the band comes off. Go. It's a really nice felt, this Borsalino. You bash out the center and it starts to come into shape. Find where the back label is there, pulling up the brim and putting down the front of the brim, and then just gently touching down the middle of the hat, and of course pinching the front, and the hat is back in one piece, all ready to be worn. So there we have it, the rollable Borsalino. These they sell for around about £450, and they can be purchased secondhand on the auction internet sites. They're great value if you can find one. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.